Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, I've got some unfortunate news. I got a nail in this tire, so I got to get the tire replaced. And unfortunately, it was a pretty new tire, so I had a lot of tread left. But this is life. It's unfortunate. It's irritating, but it is what it is. I already ordered the tire stickers from tirestickers.com. Those are coming today, so once it's replaced, I'll show you guys how I put these on. We'll get this tire replaced and we'll put the stickers on. Well, she's back home, brand new rubber. Gonna scrub them in over the next 100 miles. And now it's time to put on the stickers from Tire Stickers. I mean, they're decals, they're raised lettering, go on with the glue that they provide. A little bit of a cleaner to keep the letters white. And the first step, guys, is to acetone the tires. Even though these are brand new, they might have some oils on it. It's important that you clean the sidewalls off as much as you can with acetone. I just have acetone laying around the house just to make sure that they are clean and dry before you apply them on. And once you apply them on, there is no taking them off. That's it. So here are the front ones, they're already on. Keep them nice and clean. Clean them like maybe every 4 or 5 rides. You know, they only get dirty because of the brake dust and some of the road grime, but it's time to put them on. So first step, acetone. Second step, patience. All right. Second, you take the glue and you're going to apply it moderately on each of these letters. They're cut in 4 letters at a time. There's the Ellen. So the Mitch, you apply it moderately, use the nozzle to kind of spread it everywhere. So you wanted to cover all the area, the entire footprint, but not too much where it's starting to ooze out on the tire, if that makes sense. So just be patient with it. And then once you do it, apply it. You got a little bit of time to kind of maneuver it once it's on the tire. You don't want to kind of move it too much because you don't want the glue just kind of spreading everywhere. But yeah, so I'm gonna start it right here on the less, you know, kind of bumpy areas, and it'll just say Michelin all the way across. And then I'll do the top side, and then I'll do the reverse. There you have it. Applied the Mitch, you know, 4 letters at a time. Applied the glue moderately all the way around, making sure that I cover all the footprints by using the nozzle and rubbing it all over. Nothing, as you could see, oozed out. So you're gonna let these sit for about an hour before you take the motorcycle out for a ride. Let it really harden. And now it's time to put and so what you gotta do is just make sure that you apply it where it's evenly spaced between the letters in the Mitch and the beginning letter of Ellen, right? The E. So you want the same spacing. After you do that, plop it on. So what I would do is only apply glue right now to the E to set it in the exact place that you want. Once that's set, turn it around and apply the glue to the rest and then let them sit. Once that's done, remove this transfer film. There you have it. This side is done. So try to even them out top to bottom. So you'll see that I try to get them as even as possible without getting into the aggressive sidewall or parts of the sidewall. And there you have it. They look awesome when they rotate. So let's do the other side. All right, I've completed all of them. So now, once you've had them set for about 10 minutes, last thing to do is remove these protective films. They're on top of each one of the letters. So you just remove it and go on to the next one. So just a little patience and then boom, they just come right off. And so you do it to all of them and you are officially done. Just let it sit for an hour or 2 before you take a ride. I let it sit for 24 hours just in case. But there you have it, guys. Brand new rubber and brand new Michelin stickers. These last forever, so don't worry about them falling off if you've applied them appropriately. Make sure you prep, apply according to the instructions, and you are good to go. So once again, thanks again for subscribing to the channel. Hit those like buttons, let me know what you guys think. Comment down below, and I appreciate the support, guys, as always. Till next time.